Are you ready for our date tonight?
Yes. Should I wear the flower or do I look stupid?
You look good.
It matches my dress.
Yeah.
All right. Let's do this.
The sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all.
Hey boys, behave. It's date night.
Date night.
Pretty excited for date night.
Ama.
Can I find a flower?
Yes, I love your flower. It is raining.
Cats and dogs out there.
It is crazy out here. Look at this. Man, this has got to be like the rainiest week ever. Crazy. Hello.
Hello. I'm excited for our date night tonight. It'll be a nice way to end the trip.
For two and any food allergies.
No.
Can
Let's check this out. So a cat just wandered in.
Her name is Thea. I'm ready to see her.
I think it did not like the rain.
Evil little kitty.
Evil.
Our cat, not that cat.
I'm sure that cat was probably evil as well. I'm
Our
sure
cat.
all cats are really evil.
Yeah. So we got a blue cheese salad to start, and I got a glass of Riesling, and I've got an old fashioned. We are going to actually split this meal. It's pretty pricey if you're coming here. It's not cheap. So I think we're gonna get the ribeye, and we're gonna get the herb coconut rice, and the mushrooms, the sauteed mushrooms. Alright, so at the end of our meal, they brought us these little boxes that are for DVC members. They have cute little cookies and now look at these. Membership magic with a little Mickey head. So cute!
Olelo room, here we come. Maybe Olelo room, maybe. Oh my. Is there a line?
Maybe.
Is that what's going on right now?
Maybe.
This is the line?
This is the line.
Are there kids in the line? Olelo room. Right next to Makahiki Chicken.
I see.
What have you enjoyed the most from our little vacation?
Hiking Diamond Head.
Really? You didn't even want to do it.
I know, that was amazing. It was so cool. I would hike every single thing I could hike here if the weather was so terrible right now. It was really fun.
What next?
Here, Aulani.
But what about it?
The family time, the slides, the lazy river, us getting to hang out as the four of us. That's probably been my other favorite. What's been your favorite part?
North Shore.
Ooh, that's a good one.
That was fun.
That was fun.
What'd you think?
I'm about to give up, but I really want to try out this.
About to give up?
Getting a little tired. In your PJs in the room
That sounds fabulous.
and sit in the loud bar with
So what
drinks.
happened? What happened with the Oulani room?
So the drinks are the same drinks you can get at any of the other bars here at Aulani. So there wasn't anything unique necessarily about that
At least
bar.
not on the menu.
Right, about that bar specifically. I'm sure we could have ordered something or asked for something, but and it had live music. It was really nice. But you were standing, I was sitting, and so
Super
it
crowded.
did not look like there was going to be
Huge
a
wait.
chance to sit for you anytime soon. So we decided that we would rather just come up to the room,
Save the money.
put our pajamas on,
Save the money.
save the money, and pop open our wine that we got in the room
And save the money.
and save the money. We kind of just waited till the bartender wasn't looking because I felt guilty.
And save the money. I mean, I'm cool with going to the bar, and if they had different, unique drinks, I would have stayed.
Yeah.
But they didn't, and we've
Yeah.
got drinks in our room that are just going to go to waste if we don't drink them tonight. So,
Going down.
exit please.
Going down. You should put a time lapse on this and see how my hair grows over time.
It grows exponentially in relation to the humidity outside. It's pretty cool. It's like a Bill Nye the Science Guy episode. Just to check and see the volume of the hair in relation to humidity.
Yes. We have quite the collection on our arm. That's apparently the thing to do here. And I'm a little curious as to what the color will be tomorrow. I think red?
Oh, we got red.
No, we don't. We have pink.
I got pink and red.
We have pink and orange.